Are you looking to optimize your Upwork profile so you can get more work from Upwork? Then you're going to love this free video training class I put together just for you. Let me show you what's in it. This free video course has 3 modules, each containing detailed lessons. For example, understanding what clients are looking for in a freelancer and how to position your profile so that it stands out from their perspective, as well as the fact that we give you detailed step-by-step instructions for every element on your profile page, from how to tweak your title to how to make your overview stand out to what you should and should not include inside of your portfolio. But there's more. We also give you a bonus plan talking about the proper way of boosting your profile to find the perfect price to make sure that you stand out. And when you sign up with our course, you also have access to other free resources we provide to you, including 21 days to Upwork success, how to use AI to generate your proposals, detailed concepts related to specific features inside of Upwork, as well as expert interviews from the top freelancers on the platform. There is so much more that this platform can provide to you absolutely free. So go ahead and click that sign up button so that together we can help you get more work from Upwork fast.